Thina sibulele igundwane because besihlushwa igundwane. Tell me why are we being confronted? Sibuzwa ngumntwana. Okay, Jabo. Telling someone's story like that's my own. So ekhaya we stay ku RDP house and kunemikhuke muva sibaningi nje, and impilo has never been easy for us. I'm telling you ukuthi we were surviving from a social grant, and nayo leyo social grant, it was not enough at all. You know, everyone had to hustle. When I talk about hustle, I'm talking about every kind of hustle, including men. Okay, sharp. So we are struggling kanjalo, things are not going well. Akuhlangani, sharpo. My sister then, my older sister then gets a job. My sister gets a job. Giyaqala manje giyakhanya, you know. Siyabona ukuthi okay, khona into eyenzakalayo. My sister gets a job for the first time. We go to the mall month end to go and buy proper groceries, because ekuqaleni shame besithenga impuphu, irice, isekela mazambane, i-braai pack 5 kg braai pack, and sibaningi. We wouldn't survive on that the whole month. Yilalo mphando ke ungena khona ukuthi manje sesiyaphanda manje sihlanganisa ngapha nangapha, yabo ukuthi sikhona ukulala sidlile. Sharp fade. So my sister gets a job. This thing started when my sister got a job. My sister got a job, ushapu uyasebenza alrighty, everything is going well. Like kuyaqala kuba nokukhanya manje ekhaya. And then siqale sihlushwe igundwane. Hayi igundwane elincane, igundwane elikhulu. Lingena endlini liya emakhabethini. Okay, my sister worked the whole month, wahola sahamba sayothenga igrosa, laqala ke igundwane. Ngikutshela ukuthi le gundwane belingena ebhakedini lempuphu, livaliwe ibhakede lempuphu, kodwa le gundwane belingena lingene liqhame kuleyo mpuphu, likatya kuleyo mpuphu, angeke sayidla leyo mpuphu, iyachithwa, obviously waste. Irice kuri izodla everything, ekhabetheni ama spice including namazambane. Okay, sharp. We are struggling. And ngaleso sikhathi igundwane lelo we are trapping it. Hayi ukuthi siliyekile. Siyal trap igundwane. We doing our best ukuthi yazini emabhodweni. Nipheke nishiye ukudla emabhodweni. Lizongena lidle igundwane lichithe. Wethi king sizoza ngabo khihlikihli kohlokhohlokho ukuthi selikhona selifikile. And emabhodweni liyegcineni liqale kumpuphu, liqale ku rice, lingene emakhabetheni. Wait king. And eliyi-1 legundwane. Sharp. Usisi wami akhulume na someone emsebenzini ukuthi hayi man, yazi sihlushwa igundwane elikhulu. Athi lo muntu ekakhuluma nayo, no man, igundwane elikhulu akusiyo igundwane lasendlini, alingene endlini. It's normal for lawo mancane ukuthi abendlini elikhulu. Igundwane elikhulu alingene endlini, and uthi niyaltreba but nothing is happening. Khona into wrong. Kuko ngithi we could singafaka ialpirim la lihlala khona, lali isazi ukuthi lihlezi lingena ebhakedini lempuphu, angeke lize lidle. Sishiya ukudla ebhodweni sifake ialpirim, angeke lize liye, ngeke lize liye. Ngithi already lokudla lokho sekumoshekile, angeke lize liye igundwane. Okay, sharp. No, amtshela ukuthi this is not normal. Into zabantu kunesandla sempene lana. Go to someone, go and talk to someone, find out ukuthi kwenzakalani. Sharp. My sister listens. Amamelo sisi wami athola umuntu aye kulo muntu. Sharp lo muntu amtshela ukuthi no, there's someone who's responsible for lento lena. This person doesn't want impumelelo yenu. This person wants you guys to suffer like the way that you have been suffering. Ufuna kanjalo. Now that you are working, lento leyo iyamhlukumeza, and that's why ayenza lento kayenza. This person has been after impilo zenu. You were suffering from the get-go because of this person. Sharp. Then this lo muntu athi okay uzoza endlini azoyenza izinto zakhona, igundwane lizohamba. Sharp. Eze vele endlini afafaze achele with whatever ekachela ngalo. Sharp. Ekachela ngayo. Sharp. Gundwane gone. Gone igundwane, si happy. You know that the first night isilala singezwe igundwane. Yo. And mind you, we didn't even know ukuthi le gundwane lingena kuphi. We couldn't tell ukuthi lingena kuphi. Okay, sharpo. Igundwane alisekho, silala kamnandi kumnandi. You know, back to impilo esiyaziyo. Sharp. And then after some time, I remember this one December. After some time siqale sihlushwe igundwane elincane. Hayi. Siphuma egundwaneni elikhulu manje sihlushwe igundwane elincane. And with this one, we are not thinking much because igundwane elincane. And mind you, it's normal eKasi sihlale eKasi thina. It's normal eKasi for amakundwana amancane ukuthi abe khona endlini and what's not. Mara leli li1 lekundwana awekha manje 1 nalo lingene emakhabetheni. Lingene emabhaketini wempuphu, lingene emahotropini ke leli, lingena wait again alihluphi kundwane. Sitrepe. Dololi kundwane. Emabhodweni lizongena lidle. Wathi ba king? Sharp fade. This particular December. My sis, December yokuqala usiswami asebenza. My sister buys clothes for kids. Utenga even for umntanami utenga impahla for the first time. Abantwana bagcokile ibhuli for the first time. We are also excited. Sihamba, we buy the clothes sharp. We come back siyabalinganisela ziyabalingana icathulo, you know, igama yazini. My sister is doing the things, breaking the generational curse. Sharp start impahla sifake hotropini. Cool. Siyazi ukuthi abantwana banazi impahla zeChristmas, you know, yonke into ishabu baba. Good, sharp. And last is fake khona. We are sure ukuthi is a safe space because lekunwa lelincane belidla vele impahla. But lezi siyasho ukuthi sisifake in a very safe place. Sharp. The 25th of December. Sigezisa abantwana, sikhipha impahla sifuna ukugcokisa abantwana. Shock of our life. Ikundwane ukuthi eboxini leicathulo kanjani? Icathulo zilunywa phambili, ezinye zilunywa emuva naphambili. Kuri nje zilunywe in a way yokuthi angeke uzuzigcoke. Ikipa zilunywe around, zilunywe la kune label khona. Kuri wathi baking mosheki amabruko. Kuri ene ayikho ne asikho nesicathulo esi1 eSurvivile, asikho neskipa esi1 eSurvivile, alikho ne jean A1 eSurvivile. Never, zonke zidliwe amakundwane. And ngaleso sikhathi we already izinto are not looking well because my sister has to constantly buy food because now usekubuyela inye igundwane manje lisihluphayo. Cool, sharp. So belinokungena nasemshinini bese sithatha amabhodo siwafaka emshinini sivala umshini because sizama ukuprotect ukudla kwethu, you know, sizofake ibhodo emshinini sifake ingubo sifake isivalo somshini ukuthi igundwane lingangeni. Hayi wena lizongena legundwane liubani kanti? Sharp. So this one time we do that. Sifake ibhodo emshinini, sivala ngengubo, sivala isivalo. Ene legundwane leli ngisho ningahlala kushaye u1 kushaye u2 nihleze edining room. Angeke lize. Angeke nize nilizwe including nalo leli elikhulu. It was the same thing. Sharp, fine. And then sifakile kanjalo we go to bed. Already sithepile ukuthi maliza the moment sizwa amabhodo amanzi already ayabila siyolithela lilapha emshinini siyolithela ngamanzi abilayo. Sharp lingena igundwane emshinini hayi sizwa amabhodo kudu ene le gundwane the way lenza ngakhona ngathi igundwane elikhulu lapho kungaka kuncane. Sharp lingene kurukudu amabhodo amanzi already ayabila sibilisa amanzi ngedrum sifike kuvulwe ingubo thelwa amanzi futhi into the way basic fasting akhona ngiyalisabi igundwane mina, but for that time I was like phakathi inside I'm in, we are doing this. Kuthelwa amanzi lilapha phakathi siyalibona nali yalapha phakathi wara amanzi abilayo.